Bumble Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make Yawning Yam Yogurt. But what's the secret ingredient? 4 yawning yams! The Bumble Nums are on their way to the Yawning Yam Garden. Are you ready to pick some yawning yams, Humble?
Yum!
What about you, Grumble?
Yum!
And you, Stumble?
Yeah.
Yum!
Yum yum!
Look, Bumble Nums, yawning yams! So how are you?
Yum?
Oh, excuse me. The yawning yams are making me sleepy. I was about to ask you how you're going to get the yawning yams you need without falling asleep.
Yum yum yummy!
Yum!
Uh-oh, Bumble Nums. The closer you get, the sleepier you get. You've got to find a way to stay awake. Or you won't get the 4 yawning yams for your Yawning Yam Yogurt.
Yum, 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 yum.
Wake up, Bumble Nums!
Yum!
Now go get those yawning yams! Jumping jacks! Good idea, Stumble! You won't fall asleep if you keep your energy up. 2. 3. You just need 1 more yawning yam. It's go time! Quick! Grab the last yawning yam before you... 4! Whew! You got all the yawning yams, Bumble Nums. Now let's get them back to the kitchen. You made it, Bumble Nums. Do you still have the 4 yawning yams? Now that we have the secret ingredient, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Bumble Nums, you've done it again! How does your Yawning Yam Yogurt taste, Bumble Nums?
Yum yum yum!
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
May I please?
Yes, you may.
May I please, may I please?
Yes, you may.
May I please, may I please?
Yes, you may.
May I please, may I please?
Yes, you may.
May I have a snack, please?
Yes, you may.
May I have some juice, please?
Yes, you may.
May I watch TV, please?
No, you may not.
May I play outside, please?
Yes, you may.
May I ride my bike, please?
Yes, you may.
May I go to the park, please?
Yes, you may.
May I pick some flowers, please?
No, you may not.
May I slide down the slide, please?
Yes, you may.
May I have some rice, please?
Yes, you may.
May I have some carrots, please?
Yes, you may.
May I throw my ball, please?
No, you may not.
May I be excused, please?
Yes, you may.
May I be tucked in, please?
Yes, you may.
May I hear a story, please?
Yes, you may.
May I stay up late, please?
No, you may not.
May I hear a song, please?
Yes, you may. La 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 la.